Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Capizzi, and today is day 2 of our contingency plan, and it's a continuation of what we did yesterday. So today's assignment is 14-1, the homework pages, and you need to do numbers 1 through 12, 14, 16, 18, and 19, and that's on pages 737 to 738. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's just go over the another look. Again, we're doing patterns. So here, Melanie has to create a pattern using the rule add 11. Her starting number is 11. What are the next 5 numbers in Melanie's pattern? Describe a feature of the pattern. So today I want you to also focus on describing a feature of the pattern, and I do want to go back real quick to yesterday because the example that I did with you for number 2, I forgot to put what a feature of the pattern is. So features could be if they are even, odd, even, then odd. So if I take a look at this pattern here, one of the features may be all of the numbers are even. So all of the numbers in the pattern are even. You may also notice that all of the patterns are also multiples of 6. So if I go from here, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, I can see that all of the numbers in the pattern are multiples of 6. So all of the numbers are also multiples, meaning like skip counting, of 6. But this is just kind of skip counting backwards. So in yesterday's assignment for number 3, 4, 5, and 6, if you didn't describe a feature of each pattern, just go back and please put that in. So let's again go back to today's assignment, and if we look here, Melanie started at 11, so 11 plus 11 is 22, 22 plus 11 is 33, 33 plus 11 is 44, 44 plus 11 is 55, 55 plus 11 is 66. So the features of this pattern are the numbers in the pattern are all multiples of 11, and the digits in the ones place increase by 1 as the pattern continues. So if we look at the ones place, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. So features of the pattern are just things that you notice about the pattern itself. So I will do one of these as an example. So here we've got subtract 2. So if I'm going from 30 to 28, subtract 2, so 30 minus 2 is 28, and then 28 minus 2 is 26, and if I continue that pattern, 26 minus 2 would be 24, and 24 minus 2 would be 22. And if I want to describe a feature of this pattern, I can see that all numbers are even because they end in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0, and also all numbers are multiples of 2. Multiples of 2. Meaning if I skip count by 2, I'll eventually get to all of these numbers. So, again, you're going to do everything on the front here. And for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, you need to continue the pattern and describe a feature of each pattern. And for 7 through 12, you just need to fill in the missing numbers. You don't need to describe a feature. And on the back here, you're doing numbers 14. So Mimi started with a pattern of 5 and used the rule add 10. So up here, the rule would be add 10. So you're going to figure out what the next number would be, and they want the first 5 numbers in Mimi's pattern. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you want to describe the numbers in that sequence. And then for number 16, it says presidential elections are held every 4 years. There were presidential elections in 1840, 1844, 1848, and 1852. When were the next 3 presidential elections, and describe a feature of the pattern. So you want to continue this pattern where the last one you had was 1852, and they want the next 3 election years, and the pattern would be add 4. So you want to figure out what the next 3 election years are and describe a feature of the pattern. And the other problem you need to do on here is number 18. The house numbers on Carr Memorial Avenue follow a pattern. The first 4 houses on the left side of the street are numbered 8, 14, 20, and 26. The rule is add 6. How many more houses are on the left side of the street with numbers less than 50? So you want to figure out what the next house numbers would be. So if I'm at 26, I would add 6, and you're going to continue that until, I'm just going to put ... because you'll need to figure out how many houses it is. But you want to continue the pattern of add 6 and find all the houses with numbers less than 50. So please remember to email myself or your other teacher in the classroom if you have any questions. Stay healthy, everyone, and have a wonderful day.